Hi, this is Kenny from In-A-Day Development. Welcome to our tutorial on the Statistical Datapoint entry screen. When we were first determining how we wanted to write these apps, we went through the functions of the physical HP 10b2 calculator, which is the calculator on which we were trained, and tried to think of the things about it which made it hard to use so we could improve upon them for our smartphone apps. One of these functions is entering statistical points, which you can access by hitting sigma plus or orange shift sigma minus. Let's do that now. When we hit sigma plus, a new screen appears and lets us enter an x value and, if you're interested, a y value. If you want more lines, just hit the plus button and another line will appear. To enter data, just touch inside one of the boxes and type in your numbers. If you don't put a value in the x value slot of a row, the calculator will consider that to be 0 when it does its math. If you've entered some data points and want to delete or reorder any of them, hit the delete reorder button. Delete a row by hitting the red delete icon, and then the red delete button that appears. Or you can move a row around by touching the handle on its right side and dragging it up or down. Let's practice these operations. First I put 10 in the x value, and then I put 10 in the y value. I want another row, so I hit plus to add a data point. I touch inside the x value field on this line and type 0, and I enter 12 in the y field. I hit plus again, and I enter 30 into x and 11.2 into y. Now I've got two more data points that I want to add, so I'm just going to hit plus twice. Next I'm going to enter 70 into x and 16 into y. Lastly, I'm going to enter 50 into x and 14.7 into y. Actually, my first data point, the 1010 one, is from a different problem. I entered it by mistake. So I hit delete reorder, tap the delete icon, and then tap the delete button that appears. Boom, that line vanishes. It won't affect the math, but I like seeing my data points in order of ascending x. So I grab the handle on the right side of the 16 line, and drag that down to the bottom of the list. I'd like to see what the graph looks like for this set of data points, so I hit the graph button. That looks pretty neat. It's mostly linear, with not a very steep slope. Once I'm done admiring the graph, I hit done. Check out our video for statistical functions to see what you can do with these values once you've entered them. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about this example, please feel free to email us at theteam@inadaydevelopment.com.